Now, students, we will move to the next heading, that is meaning and definition of intrapreneur and entrepreneurship. That which we have done earlier, that starts from E, and this one starts from I, intra, and that starts from E, entrepreneurship. So intrapreneur is somewhat like similar only. So intrapreneur is a person. Entrepreneur is a person who occupies a senior position in the company. Maybe the person is head of a semi-autonomous division or a company. So entrepreneur is a person who occupies a senior executive position in a company, but the uh, person role and function is to discover and is empowered. The person is empowered to discover new ideas, innovative ideas, and for that purpose entrepreneur is been given in charge of the SBU, that is strategic business unit, and entrepreneur has been occupying a senior position in the company, and the company has given all the liberty and freedom to the entrepreneur to take the time to research and develop the new ideas, creative, innovative ideas, so as to offer something new product and services to the public. So, entrepreneur is a person who occupies a senior position in the company but is empowered from the company's point of view, that the entrepreneur person function is to and discover a new innovative business idea so as to offer products and services, and therefore entrepreneur has been given by the company all the liberty and freedom. All the funds are given by the company, so the entrepreneur can take the necessary time and the actions and the research to come with the new ideas. And entrepreneurship is the process of launching those new ideas and services within the framework of the company. Means entrepreneur is a person who works within the boundary of the existing organization. So entrepreneur is not the owner of the company. Entrepreneur occupies a senior executive or occupies a senior position. Take the example of CEO or any executive in the company, but entrepreneur is not the owner of the company. So I have written here, entrepreneur refers to the person who occupies or is a senior manager in a company, but within the boundaries, within the framework of the existing company. And there are various purpose of or functions of entrepreneur to create and develop and try to innovate some new ideas so as to offer products and services to the public. And entrepreneurship is known as that process of launching these ideas to offer products and services to the people within the existing organization, and the company supports this person entrepreneur with all the necessary funds, resources, time, freedom, etc., so that the entrepreneur can help the company and can help the company to grow, to make bigger profits, to expand, diversify. So entrepreneur is the head of the semi-autonomous division and empowered to discover new ideas, so it can offer to the products and service to the public. And the company also gives financial assistance to entrepreneur, funds, resources, time, etc. Everything is being given, but entrepreneur function is to purpose is to come with new ideas. And entrepreneurship is the process of launching and discovering these business opportunity within an existing business organization. And there are various business organization who have created this strategic business unit or independent business unit, so that this entrepreneur can come with this business, a new business idea, and they can pursue, execute and implement these business ideas without any hassle, without any thinking about the other consequences. Because nowadays, the owner of the company gives all the liberty, freedom, necessary funds, resources, time to the entrepreneur to develop these new innovative ideas and to come with something new so that the company can offer new product services to the public. So I repeat once again, entrepreneur is a person who occupies a senior post or is a senior manager in the company of the strategic business unit or a semi-autonomous company. An entrepreneur is not the owner of the company. Entrepreneur is an employee and works under a boss. An entrepreneur does not invest any funds or money into his own ideas. Rather, the person works for the company and the boss, and the company gives all the financial assistance, funds, money, time, everything, freedom, liberty, so that the entrepreneur can come with these new ideas. An entrepreneur works within the boundaries of the organization. He cannot go outside. Entrepreneur exists within the framework, and discovering these ideas, launching these ideas within the enterprise is called entrepreneurship. And entrepreneurship alternative name is also known as corporate venturing or corporate entrepreneurship, because entrepreneur also functions like an entrepreneur. There are some similarities and there are some differences which we will discuss in the next video. So watch the entire video several times and do refer the book. And if you face any sorts of problem or doubts, do ask me. Feel free to ask me. And so write down all the points.